To get started with using Kabiro Label Manager, you will need to add a Kabiro-provided supplemental feed to your Google Merchant Center account. Today, we will learn how to do this in Google Merchant Center next. First, you will need to activate the Advanced Data Source Management add-on inside your account. To do this, press the Settings button on the top right and then press Add-ons. Once here, find the option Advanced Data Source Management and click Add. Once you've added the Advanced Data Source Management add-on, click the Settings button once again, and this time, select Data Sources. Then, select the Supplemental Sources tab. Inside the Supplemental Sources tab, click the button that says Add Supplemental Product Data. You will then be prompted to add the product feed URL, which you can find inside your Kabiro Label Manager dashboard. Once done, press Continue on the bottom right. In this next step, you will be asked to select the feed label, the language, and the primary data source. Make sure to select the same feed label as the one in your primary data source, as well as the same language. This will allow you to select your primary data source on the last step so that the Label Manager labels can be applied to your main product feed. Once everything has been filled out, press Create Data Source. On this last step, we recommend navigating to the Your Setup tab and providing a more descriptive name for the supplemental data source, such as Kabiro Label Manager. Then, click the Update button. If everything has been correctly set up, you should see the number of products updated on the Latest Updates tab, which should roughly match the number of products from your primary data source. And there you have it. Your supplemental data source has been added to your Merchant Center account. You can now start using Label Manager.